Hi guys, I'm going to present the homework 12.23 today. The problem is asking us to help sharing to find a combination of three routes that minimize the time to deliver 9 parcels to different locations. So on the table on the left, we can see there are 9 different different delivery locations labeled A to I, and 10 different attractive possible routes labeled 1 to 10. And each route will stop at different locations with different time cost. For example, row number one. Row number one will stop at uh, location A first, then location D, then G with 6 hours in total. And row number two will stop at location F, then B, then I with 4 hours in total. First, we need to formulate the BIP model. We need to define each route as xi where I equals to 1 through 10, such that x1 denotes if we pick the attractive possible route or not. So the time, for example, if we pick row number one, the x1 will be 1. So the time cost will be 1 times 6, which is 6 hours. If we pick row number one and row number two, the x1 will be 1, x2 will be 1 as well. So the total time cost will be 1 times 6 plus or 1 times 4, which is 10 hours. So the total time cost z will be 6x1 plus 4x2 plus 7x3 until 6x10. And there are two constraints in this problem. The first one is the combination of roads needs to cover each stop one time at least. If we go to Excel here, will be more clearly. So if we pick row number one and row number two, will not satisfy this constraint because it doesn't conclude the location C in this road. So for 9 different parcels or 9 different locations, we have 9 different equations here. The second constraint is the combination of roads needs to consist of exactly 3 different roads, which means let's use the example previously. If we pick row number one and row number two, will not satisfy this constraint as well because there's only 2 rows consists in this combination. So if why we need to change, we need to pick another road like row number 6 here. So it will be 3 rows in total. So in order to solve this problem, we need to use the solver in the Excel. So the objective is to minimize the total time cost by changing the variable here. And there are 3 constraints. The first row means the decision we make on pick the roads or not needs to be binary. And the second one is this row here has to be greater or equal to 1, like this row here. It means that we need to pick uh, all of those locations in our combination, and the total number of rows needs to be equal to 3. So uh, and then we need to use the GRG nonlinear because it's the binary. And then we click solve. So the answer is we need to choose row number 4 and 5 and the row number 8 with the total time cost 12 hours. And that's it for this question. Thank you.